Bye bye.
We'll take you like this to Apar now. Okay?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'll close it. I'll close it. I know you can see a lot of mess right there. This is my suitcase. That is Pooja's suitcase. This is not enough. There's a lot of more stuff to take. For now, I'm really confused what all to take from here because thing is, I told you right, I want to keep half of the stuff here because I keep coming here as well. Maybe 2-3 days I'll stay here. 2-3 days I'll be staying in the new flat. Anyways, let's sort it out. In the beginning, it's gonna be like this, a little bit confusing. For now, welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Ella unnaru? Hope everyone is doing. Soon, Aisha is gonna give the intro. She's getting there, right? See, she's coming there. This is the suitcase I'm taking. It's pretty empty right now. I just put a couple of clothes for now. And obviously shifting is not going to be done in like 2 suitcases. There's a lot to take. But it's really confusing here. I don't know what all to take from here. So what I'm planning to do is, I'll take 1 week of clothes and then when I go there, I'll be missing something. I'll definitely be thinking, Arey, this is not there, that is not there. Wo bhi lana tha. Then I'll sit, make a list of what I forgot and then when I come here, I'll pick up all that and go again. That's how I'm planning. You see, the complication is when you're shifting completely, you know that you have to take every damn thing from this house. But when you want to maintain this house and that house, you want to do up and down. If you want to do this balance and all that, that is when you have the complication. Because you need to leave some stuff here. You need to leave some stuff there. Hey! No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Sanitizing? What is it?
That is it.
So cute. Sanitizing?
That is it.
I told you right, last couple of days I was not vlogging. I spent my free time in learning things. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm learning LumaFusion for the iPad on Skillshare. And there are literally like 43 chapters in this. Right now I'm at the 13th chapter. And like I told you, I'm really interested to learn editing on the iPad Pro. And like I told you before, the best place to learn such things, whether you want to learn graphic design, photography, UI UX design, creative writing, animation, fine art, music production, film and video, marketing, productivity, web development, crafts, illustration. I mean, you just name it, you have it. Skillshare is a sponsor for this video. Skillshare reached out to me to let my audience know what they do. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can explore new skills, also deepen your existing passions. You can literally get lost in creativity. I feel it's a great learning platform. I really love exploring new classes on it. So I've been using Skillshare for some time now and it has helped me a lot in on-the-go editing, especially when I'm traveling. Every detail about how to edit, whether it's Final Cut Pro, whether it's LumaFusion for the iPad, you have n number of Skillshare classes that you could pick and start learning right away. And the best part about Skillshare is it's specifically for learning, which means there are no ads and they're always launching new classes which are literally curated by industry leaders. So you can literally stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. Also, they have some amazing classes by Indian creators as well, like Alicia Souza's illustration class, Ankit Bhattia's video editing class, and a lot more. Their annual subscription offers great value. It gives you access to their entire library of classes for a year. It costs you less than 2000 rupees per annum, which is roughly 166 rupees per month. I mean, once we sit in a coffee shop, it's more than 200 rupees these days. Imagine getting this kind of information, this kind of classes, so much of learning you can do with 166 rupees, not per day, per month. There's a custom link in the description. You can use that custom link and get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. But make sure you're doing it fast because it is available only for the first 1000 people who use the custom link. So I have 1 more hour to kill before going out. We have to continue the shopping that we left last time. I told you we have to go to IKEA to get furniture. Some basics, not like very fancy. We don't want to do a lot of kharcha on it. Oh, nice. He's clicking selfies. Of course, you're a vlogger's daughter. You have to know how to click selfies. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
Ready to go? That is the first bag that's gonna leave this house. I mean, it's gonna come back again, but the clothes inside, it's gonna go. This is yours only, mera. Tere se bhi bada hai mera. It's a big bag because I want to put everything in one and take it. I'm really confused what all to take.
I just realized I have more than 40 pairs of shoes.
See? Rich.
Look who's talking. You yourself have 50. So because I realized I have 40, I'm donating the 20 because they're in good shape and I'm not using them.
They're almost new. Some have stickers as well. Labels bhi nahi nikhala.
No, I'm giving it to people.
Why did you buy them?
I'll give it.
Anyone wants slippers? Brand new.
Branded shoes,
वो
boss.
भी UCB. United Colors of Benetton brand. Okay, let's go drop this stuff. By the way, look at this. I found one more BMW cover. I'm gonna use this for the street pin. This is there, but it's not proper waterproof. This is a proper waterproof cover, just like this one. Well, Shiva gave me this. He's not using it. Now he got a house for his BMW. So he said, do you want to use it? I said, definitely we can use it for the street pin. Sure, before now I'll leave it here. Later I'll come back and put it. Thank you, Shiva. I mean, I really don't want to do this. Whenever I give a weather report, I don't know, my subscribers don't say anything, but my wife is like, dude, why do you keep giving weather reports every time? Hyderabad mein weather is like this, it is covered. See this? This is how it is. November, mid-November, it is properly raining here. I don't know what's happening with climatic changes and all that. It's good. It's good we didn't ride, because I definitely want to ride. That itch is there, but then the shifting is also there, and then abhi to rain is also there. You guys know that I don't enjoy riding in rain. It's okay, we'll wait for some time. It's gonna settle down. By December it should be fine, and once we're done with shifting and all that, mid-December pura khali hai. Definitely we'll start riding. We'll take the BMW out. That mental therapy is definitely needed. Sure, nice, come, let's go.
No, no, no. No, 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 no. Mama, bye. Bye, Jacoy.
Bye,
Ah, bye. No, no, no.
Range is 106 kilometers left, which means once again we have to put fuel. Petrol prices have gone down now, little
we'll
bit
do
better
more
in
road
Hyderabad. We'll do more road trips. Seriously, I mean in the Seltos I wanted to do it, but as a ranger
I
it
don't
is very
think we can-
difficult.
With Naisha, road trips are very difficult because of
Naisha,
puking.
please don't puke today. Don't ruin my car, okay?
I'm used to it. She'll puke, I know.
You are used to it. Car is also used to it actually. I'm also. Hey! You see what you did?
What did she do?
Okay, what is the agenda? What is the agenda? What is
Agenda
the-
is to go.
Okay, what is the agenda
The
today?
agenda is
Two things.
I have to go and pick up my passport ghar se abhi, and then
Why
we drop-
passport?
Because
We are
traveling.
planning an international trip. I'll tell you about these details
I thought
later,
you wanted it
much
to be a
later.
surprise, so I didn't say anything.
Might be a surprise
That's why I
because
didn't
depends
tell
on a lot
anyone.
of things.
Okay, fine.
But after booking, after thinking about all of that, one day we realized that Naisha doesn't have a passport, so we have to get that done.
Baby.
See all of these things in the
I'll
head.
sing,
We
I'll
have
sing.
to do all this
2 minutes,
later.
Mama. On the bus go round and round, round and round.
Oh, she wants wipers. Huh?
The wipers on the bus go swish, swish.
Okay, second
swish.
agenda is to
Swish,
pick
swish,
your dad.
swish.
Third agenda is to go to our new apartment and submit the rental agreement,
first
and we have
drop-
to get the facilities
first
done
drop-
so that they release gas, electricity and all that stuff, where Karcha is again gonna start. Last is IKEA. Today we're gonna finish that. Once again Karcha there also. This month is gonna be very expensive. Let's go. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Mama went to get her papa. There. She went there. Okay. She'll come in 5 minutes, okay? She needs to get her passport because we need to apply for your passport. Okay, making her walk outside because she already started feeling a little bit pukish in the car. So it's been almost 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes we have to do this. We have to stop somewhere and make her walk outside like this. Ashu, you feeling fine? You feeling better? No? Home has better quality bed sheets.
That's what
So are we going to home or IKEA? We're going to home center, right?
Yo.
Are we going to IKEA or home center? I think we'll go to IKEA first.
First we'll go
I
IKEA.
know things don't last much there. Nothing against
Just
IKEA,
like-
but that's how it is.
just
Quality
like
is a
the-
little bit.
Just like the stuff in your room.
Yes, they don't last long.
Correct.
Yeah. So let's go to IKEA now. You know? You know, it's very exciting and interesting to do all these things, no?
It is,
Setting up your new house and stuff.
I think Shreema and I were
We're
thinking
waiting to do this from a long time.
Yeah, I think both of us were waiting for this for a long time. So now we are excited a bit.
Let's do it.
Those.
I mean, Karcha number 1 starts. Heavy Karcha number 1. IKEA furnishings. First we have to get sofas and
पहले bed.
bed and sofa. Very important.
Let's do sofa come bed हो गया.
I actually can get it for cheap. Thank God today there is no Tirupati Darshan queue.
I know, man.
Otherwise this whole line is gonna be like.
Yeah, actually I told weekend but Shreema suggested today.
Kudikalu mundar bettu.
Combo.
Right leg.
I know, I understand that. Kudikalu.
Kudikalu mundar pettu.
Kudikalu mundar pettu.
I think I am only wrong.
I'm sure you're wrong. Mom told you don't know Telugu properly.
I don't know any language properly.
Let's go. Decent one, you know what is wrong with this?
Looks nice only, but problem is sturdiness. For example, how much is this? Definitely not 999. It will be that.
15,000.
Not even that.
Only
Bed,
this part.
bed will be this. 20 22,000.
22,000.
No. This is sprung mattress is 21,000. Bed is 25,000. Looks nice only, but I think it's a queen size.
Nothing, come, kidding. Let's go.
Yeah, me and Pooja feel that this color sofa is more preferable because,
makes everything dirty.
especially because of Naisha. I mean, if you have kids, this color is
If
preferable.
you have kids, go for darker colors because obviously you can't handle it.
And also, when you sit, your bum color will come here.
Jeez, that was such a bad joke.
It's not a joke, dude. It's real. I mean, when you keep sitting, slowly it becomes dark here.
Are you gonna shoot me now?
Yeah, I think we like this one.
Abhi, we just started.
We just started a lot to see, but yeah, this is a 2-seater and this is a 3-seater. This is around 20,000 and this is 17,000. Good thing is you get a nice shoe sofa also, cute one. So can you sit on that?
But it's my baby now.
Sit. Is it for adults or kids? You look funny in it.
Obviously.
But my
I'm
favorite
an
color is definitely this. Beautiful color. Red is too vibrant and dangerous. This one.
Actually, I love red.
Yeah, this is more preferable. You get a nice L shape. But it is pretty expensive, dude. Oh, this is separate again. This is 14,000 and this is 70,000. But it's huge, right? So that is a 4-seat sofa, I think. Okay, this is a fancy looking table. It's not like these Chotu tables. It's really tall. So this is like almost, I think, comes up to my belt height.
It's a bar table.
It's a bar table. Only thing is Naisha can't sit at this height. And for the last and final purchase, the big purchase, a king size bed. I don't know how much will this all last. They look solid, but yeah, most expensive at 65,000. I say 66,000 almost. Is this king size? Done with shopping?
Just started.
Some more left. Just started, huh? Okay. No, actually we're done for today.
For today.
My legs are paining actually. Cardio bhi ho gaya. Very good. Now we are eating tomato soup, coffee. That is some
Nuggets.
chicken wrap. That's chicken nuggets. And that's a oatmeal cookie. Actually pretty cheap, right? I mean, 500 rupees and so much of food. I didn't expect that. I mean, they are taking bills in our furniture, no? Bada bill. 18th rack. There. Pooja is like, I saw the car. What she doesn't understand is there are like hundreds of Seltos.
I saw the bum of your car.
There are like hundreds of Seltos, you know
Okay,
that?
Baba.
Everywhere, that too white Seltos only.
But मुझे याद
Look around you, there will be hundreds. I know your car, it seems. You have to remember the number for Seltos or Pulsars. There are too many Pulsars and Seltos everywhere. And there is the amount of luggage we bought. You start putting it in.
अरे कुशन सबसे बाद में.
I think we are pretty much done with the interiors. At least the main stuff.
Main stuff, that's it. Not in पूरा. अभी तो start हुआ है.
Table, sofa. Sofa is done mainly.
Yeah.
Table done. No, table we missed. We liked one table, but that one thing we missed. We'll do it next time again. Oh no, bill to. Or I have to show the bill. 1 second. Look at this size. Massive bill. You see this kind of storage space? Now we can put a lot of stuff.
Wow! क्या गाड़ी है? You want me to say that? चलो.
Yeah, unfortunately, that is one thing. They couldn't ship all this to the new apartment. Now I have two options. Either go to Malkajgiri taking all of this, which doesn't make sense, or leave it at Pooja's house, which is in High-Tech City, which makes more sense because I can do up and down. We have to do one more round later. अभी के लिए बहुत हो गया. I think let's go home. What else is left? One table is left. That's it. Bed, mattress we have to do. Okay, just met these buffoons here. Adi, Charan, Chaitanya, and they are startled looking at my bill. స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్
ఎన్ని నెలలు కొన్నావురా నువ్వు?
This is iPhone 13 Pro cost, dude.
ఎన్ని నెలలు కొన్నావురా నువ్వు?
I've been telling them I'll come within 1 hour. 7:20 I said I'll come, right? I came at 10:20. 3 hours late, just 3 hours.
7:30 చెప్పావు 7:30కి వస్తానని.
అరే,
Dinner 24 hours.
అది
అంటే
ఈవెంట్
in-
టోటల్ రా,
so-
ఈవెంట్ టోటల్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నట్టుంది.
If I have to do this much of shopping, then it will take time, no bro.
Yeah, అరే ఒక స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకో receipt.
Hey, by the way, Chetu, you know what? I'm gonna be your nearest neighbor. हमारा nearest neighbor is Chetu. Next
अरे
nearest
मा-
neighbor is
నువ్వు
Pranav.
ఇంకా కాదురా నువ్వు లోన్ తీసుకోవాలి ఇంకా
వీటితో ఉండాలంటే లోన్ తీసుకోవాలి తప్పదు.
బ్యాంక్ వెళ్ళి
అరే మినీ బెటర్ కదా ఆయన కాల్ చేసి ఒక సెకండ్ లో తగులుతుంది, నీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చేసి తగులుతుంది.
అరే నాకు
Stupid 12
వైబ్రేషన్ రాలేదురా, ఇట్స్ ఆన్ సైలెంట్.
వాట్ ఆర్ యు టాకింగ్ వైబ్రేషన్ రా.
డబ్బులంతా ఫోన్ మీద పెట్టినా రీఛార్జ్ చేయలేదు మళ్ళీ.
వాడి ఫోన్ లో చాలా రీసెర్చ్ నడుస్తుంది. చదువుకో బాగా చదువుకో.
చదువుకో, ఇట్లా చదువుకోనంటే ఐఏఎస్ ఐపీఎస్ లాంటివి కాకుండా
ఇప్పుడు అందుకే నీ పక్కన ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు.
ఆర్కిటెక్ట్ నువ్వు వద్దా?
ఆర్చి